Developing a client profile is part of the customer segmentation analysis in the model business analysis tool. It is critical that you develop a viable and realistic client profile for your ideal customer. Your analysis should include 4 rings. The first ring, or the internal ring, consists of 3 major factors: the jobs that this ideal client has, the pains that he or she is experiencing, and the gains that he or she is trying to obtain. The jobs are broken down into 3 categories: functional jobs, emotional jobs, and social jobs. And the pains can also be broken down into these categories, and they can include financial pains, actual physical pain, emotional pain, and social pain. And the gains can also be characterized utilizing these 3 examples: functional gains, emotional gains, and social gains. Most of the people I talk to says that their clients are generally looking for financial gain. Well, money is useless unless you actually convert it into something else, whether that is a service that you're buying or product that you're purchasing, or using it as collateral or security to obtain something else. So it's usually something other than money that they're looking for. So looking a little deeper is pretty important when analyzing your ideal customers in a core of jobs, pains, and gains. The second core would be their aspirations. Every single customer has an aspiration, and that aspiration can be for themselves or collective for them and other people within their circle of influence. And we're all trying to make progress towards our personal aspirations or our collective aspirations. Sometimes, however, there's friction between our aspirations and the inner core. Sometimes the jobs that we have to do in our daily lives is preventing us or stopping us or delaying us from working on our aspirations. Sometimes the pain is too much for us to focus on anything else. And sometimes the things that we think we want is holding us back from our aspirations. Now, the third core deals with more personal issues. What tribes do they belong to? Now, I can probably identify anywhere from 3 to 5 tribes for anyone that I meet, and so can you. While tribes are used to help you connect with your ideal customer, the culture is also important, and the culture is used to primarily understand and respect your ideal customer. Once you understand the tribes that they belong to and the cultural aspects of those tribes, then you're in a better position to understand their belief systems. Once you understand their belief systems, you have an idea of what their perspective is. Once you understand their perspective, you have a good idea of what their values are. And while tribes are used for connecting and culture is used for respecting, and belief systems are used for seeing their perspectives, values are used for alignment. Can you align your company's goods or services with the values of your ideal customer using this client profile? If you've gone through this analysis and you really understand the functional, social, and emotional jobs that your ideal customer has, you understand the pains that he or she is experiencing and the gains that he or she wants, understand his or her aspirations for himself, herself, and his or her circle of influence and the progress looking to be made, and you understand the tribes that they belong to from birth to now, would be very helpful, and understand their culture, their belief system, and their values, then you have a good idea of what they're thinking and what they're experiencing, what their affect, what their emotion, what their feelings are, what their moods are. Then understanding that puts you in a position to really understand their needs and their wants. And isn't that what we're trying to do as business owners and operators? We're trying to find out what our customers want and need and give them what they want and need. Simple formula for business success. Find out what they need and go out and get it and then give it to them. Understanding how to build an effective and accurate client profile will help your business accelerate its development of a value proposition that will help your business succeed. To learn more about how Private Corporate Counsel can help you analyze your business, including helping you develop a client profile, call us at 407-647-7887 or visit us on the web at privatecorporatecounsel.com.
Please continue to listen to our podcast to learn more. Contact us at 877-647-7887 or email us at info@pcc.law to learn more about the Private Corporate Counsel program and how we can help you and your business on your journey to success.